Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, I will be teaching you how you can convert your logo or your brand's logo or whatever logo that you might have into an animated logo, just you can see right now on the screen. So if this is the first time you're watching our channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, as we'll bring in more videos related to Filmora, as this is Filmora made easy. So first and foremost thing, what you need to do is just go to the video description and there download the latest and the greatest version of Filmora on your computer. Just don't worry, go to the video description, there you will find direct download link for it. So after you download it and install it on your computer, or maybe you already might have Wondershare Filmora installed on your computer, for that just run Wondershare Filmora. Right now my version is 14. Once this screen appears, you'll go ahead and click on new project. Once you click on the new project, the Wondershare Filmora screen appears. Now what I want you to do is just go ahead and go to help and then click on check for update. Now this will make sure that you have the latest and the greatest version of Filmora. If you don't have that, then this live update feature of Filmora will update it to the latest and the greatest version, bringing you more performance and more functionality and features. Now right now for me making this video, the version is 14.6.11. For you it might be different if you're watching it in a later part, later in this year or next year. So yeah, make sure you have the version 14.6.11. Now next thing you need to do is just make sure you're in the media format or media tab, and then go to influence kit. All right, once you click on it, now you need to click on the start creating button under brand transmission logo reveal. All right, so click on the start creating button. Once you click on that, you have some presets that you can just choose. You can use the 3D gold brick or 3D silver badge or anything as such. For me, I like the light swipe. As you can see, it just looks pretty good. This just shows you the demo of the logo reveal or logo animation thingy. So once you select your preset, click on start creating button right here. Next, you need to add your logo. So just click on the add button and then navigate to your logo. Not navigate, just select the logo that you want to animate. For me, I will choose my channel's logo because it's a kind of a promotion of my channel. I don't know. So as you can see, the logo reveals pretty much, the logo animates pretty nicely. So you can go ahead and edit the text if you want. Maybe subscribe for more. Also, you can just reduce the font size, and as well as you can also change fonts if you like. If you kind of like a different font, you can just go ahead and use it. But I think the stock one is fine for me. And you can also change effects. It's just click on here. You can also choose different color by clicking on this icon and just selecting the color that you want. It looks kind of dope. Now let's play it. All right, now this one looks pretty good. Now once you're happy with the logo and the animation, click on the finish button, and then this will automatically get transported or exported into the timeline here. Now you can go ahead and start using the logo for your project or anything as such. Now you can just go ahead and use any of the video. For example, I will be selecting any of the random video. For example, it's orange background. What I'll do is just add it into another layer and just put the orange background on below it. I'll choose matched media. Now if I just click on the play button, you can see that my logo appears with the subscribe for more thingy, and just looks pretty damn good. Now it depends on your creativity how you are using this feature, and once you're happy with the video or anything as such, or if you only want the logo reveal video, then just click on the export button and you can just go ahead and export the animated logo for your brand or for anything, for a project or clients that you're working with. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. In this way, you can easily create animated logo by using Wondershare Filmora. I know it's quite easy, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also do consider subscribing for more content just like this one. Until next time, see you.